What's up, all you Corvette Stingray lovers? I'm gonna show you the ultimate Corvette Stingrays, okay? So first of all, this is a 65. It's a 65 tanker. I don't know if you know, it's a 1 of 41. They want 350,000 for this one, right? This is a Copo 427 Bob Wingate. They want 900,000 for this one. Okay, this is a C3. This is called a Goldie L88. All L88, you already gonna pay $900,000, right? Okay, all right. So this one right here is a 67 427 factory AC. This one is $400,000, right? Again, they're all special. All these inside here is special. This is a 67 427 called a Big Break, $350,000. Big Break. Okay, let's move on back over here. Look how many got. Got rows and rows and rows. They're all special. 63 Z06. Oh God, how much can that be worth? This is a $800,000 for a Z06. Okay, let's go over here. I'm gonna kill my phone with this one, but it's okay because it's over. There's nothing better than this, really. This is a 61 worth 110. Nah, it's the cheap one, really. So the ones without the windshield writing, right? This is a 427, 275,000. Here's a 63 Daytona. This is the color that they want. So if you just get a normal one, split window, 225,000. This is a split window. Look, the motor, that's not worth anything. Look, all cracked. Survivor. How much is the Survivor worth? 200,000 for a Survivor. Here's a convertible. Lots of big block. 427. Let's see. Big block. 175,000. C3. Uh-oh. It's got the big motor. 427. You can tell by that thing right there. It's got 350,000. Split window. Oh, super nice, right? Super nice. Okay. 400,000 for a 63. Triple diamond fuel injected. Wow, this thing is nice. All right. Whoa, look at this supercharged one. It's a 63 Resto mod with an E4 supercharger. 160. It's a cheap one. You can get that's like a new one. They just put a split window on there. All right. So this is a 65 for 140,000. No split window, right? This one in red. What does this say? 65 should be around the same. 160,000, right? Okay, come on, we're still going. We got a green convertible. No writing, 427. 175,000. We got a blue hardtop, removable. Looks like a 66 hood. 67, I don't know why. 200,000. We got a, I don't know what year, 65, 67, different hood, 110. This is the cheap one. See, that's the 66 hood. This is the 67 hood. This is the 66 hood. 427. But yet 67, right? Look, 225,000. Here's another one, 427. Big old motor. 175,000. Oh, this one's got special. It's a 63. It says Born Sebring Silver Red. Split window, 200,000. 327 on. All right. So, 427, 67, 225. 427, 63. Split window, 350,000. C1, what I got? 327, 225,000. This is a 63 because you can tell by the hood. And 327, 250,000. Hey, it's Sinister. This is Sinister before Sinister became Sinister, right? It's got an L88 or what? No, it's got an LT1, 350, 85,000. So 85,000. We got a C1. Oh, I like this one. This thing's gorgeous. 327, 3-speed, 150,000. All right, we're moving down to the ropes over here. They won't let me in the ropes over here. This thing must be big money. Oh, Resto Mod. Look at that. Resto Mod. Roadster. It's got to be like a 55 or something. Look at this beautiful Resto Mod. Supercharged. 1962. Oh, that's just awesome. Awesome. All right, that's it for Corvette. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the inside. We'll see you guys on the next Florida Car Show walkthrough.